Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. And the first one, is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then we need to locate USB-C port, what located the speaker at the back side. So right here we have the plug with the lightning bolt icon. We need to open this plug, and here's USB-C port. So let's connect USB-C cable right at this port. And now, at the top, on the left side, we have power button. So, this power button starts blinking white, what means that your speaker is charging. The second option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. It looks like this, and you can charge your speaker from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So, let's connect USB-C cable to USB-C port at the speaker. And I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but as I tell you previous, you can also use another device with USB-A port. And now let's check the power button, and again it starts blinking, so it also charging your speaker. On some speakers we can use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone, but for this speaker, if you connect USB-C cable to your speaker and the second USB-C cable to your phone, you will start to charge your phone, not the speaker, so it doesn't work for this speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!